Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Automation Testing. In this video, I will show you each and every step to install the required tools for automation testing. We will install Java JDK, Eclipse IDE and Apache Maven, and we will also configure environment variable properly. Please follow the steps carefully, especially the environment variable part. Let's first install the Java JDK. First open the any browser to install Java JDK. Download the latest version for Java. After downloading, let's open the exe, run the exe. After click on next, second, wait for install complete and then close, click on the close. Let's set Java environment variable. It is the most important. Open environment variable. Now open the environment variables. Let's open environment variable and then create a variable name for Java home. Then add a path for Java. Then click on OK. Next, update the path of environment variable. Go to path in system variables. Add a bean.java path in the path variables. I have already added. Let's open the command prompt. Check our Java is installed or not. Simply adding a command java-version. Our Java version is installed successfully. Next, download Eclipse IDE for writing a Java code. Go to our Eclipse IDE official website, download the Eclipse IDE. You can now see interface like this. After installing Eclipse IDE, let's install Apache Maven. Go to official website for Apache Maven. Download the binary zip file for Windows. Let's set environment variable path for same Apache Maven. Open environment variables again. Under the system variables, click on where I have already added a variable name. If you want, click on new and add a variable name here like this. Then add a path for that variable values. Then click on OK. Let's verify Maven is installed or not. Simply open command prompt. Add a command for Maven version check. Or Maven is installed successfully. If you see errors, Java is not recognized or Maven is not recognized, it means path is not set correctly. Command prompt was not reopened. Close and reopen command prompt and try again. Congratulations, our system is now fully ready for automation testing with BDD and Java. In the next video, we will create our first BDD Maven project from scratch. If this video helped you, please like, share. Thank you.